tell you that nobody's above the law in Ghana, you guys are thinking we are joking. When we tell you that the law is working here in Ghana, and we will say working, so you guys will understand very well. You can know, say, hey, I am serious about what I'm about to tell you right now. I'm super excited and love to share my happiness with you guys by singing this song. I know you cannot see the heart, so that's why I want to display something small for you. Allow me, just give me some few seconds. Hey! Hey! Oh, very, very bad, very, very bad, very, very bad, very, very bad. I know you guys will be asking yourself that, Delphina, what's up? Why are you happy? You don't know what happened. Guys, this very man who called himself Igbo King in Ghana, he finally came out to apologize. Publicly, he came out to apologize by writing this letter. This is the apology letter he wrote to the Ghanaians, the government of Ghana, president of Ghana, Nigerians, everybody, for the inconvenience he caused us. Of course, I was in fear throughout this moment that all these things is happening. So I'm part of those people this very man is apologizing to. If you can remember this very video, like the video I made, guys, saying I want to go to Nigeria, I was packing my stuff because of the fear that I had inside of me. But the thing is that this protest where they talk say they go do, will it still hold after this Igbo man who caused all this rubbish come out to apologize? Do you think his apology is going to calm Ghanaians down to make them not to come out for the protest on Saturday? That is the big question right now, because he caused all these things, all this bala where they go on between Ghana and Nigeria is because of this very man who called himself Igbo King. But now he came out to apologize. I think everything should subside. Don't you think so? But then in this very video you're about to watch, you get to see for yourself. Yeah, you're gonna see it in details. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
Greetings, lovely people. When a Ghanaian tells you so be Johnny, it means that you run away when no one is chasing after you. So this is a press release from the self-acclaimed Igbo King. Yes. This is a press release from the self-acclaimed Igbo King, and I'm going to be summarizing what is in this press release. According to the context of this press release, the Igbo King held a meeting with the Foreign Minister, Honorable Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa, and the self-acclaimed Igbo King is apologizing to the people of Ghana, and is also apologizing to the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He's also sending his sincere apology to the chiefs, the traditional leaders of the land. He's apologizing and he's saying that he's very sorry for his statement that he made somewhere 2013 after his coronation in 2012 of building a village and establishing a kingdom in Ghana here, somewhere along Pram Pram in Greater Accra region, talking about 50 acres of land. This idea or this kingdom or village, the idea has been abolished long time. That is 2014. That is when the idea has been abolished. But it seems that it has popped in the public domain and everybody is talking about it. And according to the self-acclaimed Igbo King, is very sorry, and he vowed that nothing of that sort will happen again. There won't be any chance of even conceiving an idea of building a village or a kingdom or a palace. Nothing like that will come into their mind again. He said that as the people of the Igbo or the Nigerians, they are very respectful, and they also make sure that they stay in the confinement of their rule, where they are supposed to, as a foreigner, where you are supposed to say. They won't do anything to jeopardize with the friendship that they are having with Ghana. So my fellow lovely people, citizens of this country, not spectators, that is the apology from the self-acclaimed Igbo King. Those of you that are planning to have your demonstration, I think that is going to be on Saturday. Yes, so I think you people should hold on, cease fire, because the man has now come back to his rightful senses, that you can't go to somebody's land and go and be claiming bossy, or because you have established companies, you are a philanthropic or whatever, you have done a philanthropic work, so because of that you think that you have the temerity, the opportunity. No, it is not done. It is not done. Yes, because nobody from Ghana here will go to Nigeria and go and misbehave like the way he is trying to misbehave. So boom, this is a new update from the Igbo Palace. Yes, I got this particular story from his own Facebook page. That is where I got it from. So it is authentic. This is a right source, the right information. I believe that this is not going to be Adanko Dada Adui. No, I don't think so. So follow me on all the social media platforms, Short 360 Media GH, where we are going to be bringing you trending and recent stories. The name has always been Chris, aka with all due respect, this nonsense must stop.
So for our share a year amanone ho sensem ene eye amanone ho nkutahudie mekire okuje to ablakwa ene okosia opanyini ya na obo no ho eye safohene obo no nsamrane se oye Igbo king in Ghana no ene one ni dinhyiemu na enhyiemu no ekowie no ode achopa kese ama eye Ghana. Se video na circulate se wase wo ba be the kingdom no 2013 ana oka sa ansem no na wonu no ho se wo ka sa ansem no na enya ade a wo ba be the kingdom bia na abusua we ene meeting ne ensem a wode tu dwa na wase wonu no ho se wo ka sa ansem na wapan wa chew na ebi ensibiem abusua enu a miame nua ekwana ba any spokesperson kasamafo oba bonten be ka say oba bonten be kasa efa sa ansema ekoso ya enkranhemfo any politicians bi ebeda na according to Abrante nanum nsem no bebo kakra e de ma watie according to Abrante nanum nsem no wase opanyini ne nsem ne noma wo ne noma okeke kan na branding. Just what they brand no.
Who coach do on the 12th of July? Now say, is it the way you read this over dim community and phone number name from is any my for Papa Uruni?
Yes, I want to some high end. Was it soon?
Yeah.
American. One can be a. Kana 1 year na necessary come February na wo
ya neze ye bua born no the year na so ma me fra no pe na ja me hwese wo faru ni me boy enkomo dia
this man deal with him in their own terms and conditions. No? They are not the power players in the industry. Most of them are not chiefs. They are not sub chiefs. They are not traditional related people. These are boys. They have compassion for their community, and they feel like their papa no take over. But when the queer woman say, branding no, their papa na achieving in branding.
Nebo, kasi branding. Unless what's what tons are senior in branding.
And you know,
Unia Sasibia.
As I see back one plot, and papaya chiaka. Not you couldn't buy it, but alcohol land no. I can't want some year. One of the assassin is a auto assassin. Can I match on the way I want to say, wow. But soon you might drink it. It's a you know, medicine brewer. What's the fuck up? The name and call for no more person, everything come. You do come on the air. Now, what about your scan? Now, 1 year, no more didn't come on New Year. I didn't know how to help us out.
Okay. Let's assassin now. We say what pram here fine you know topic you know. And
one plot to grind. One plot in the home. one plot say one plot yeah or not any crowd or just say one plot go where a full cry now.
Ah, Lenny, I don't know about can say or the quiet kingdom near and then Brandon. Brandon,
and none of my boo ben. Branding and packaging. So who say only 2 4 dinner. Who say only my picture. Who say only talk about for the dinner. Who say only another Joe who was in a hop. Who say yes, on which no Nindinano. The business part of being a leader and diaspora. You go for now or London, America, Germany, USA, Nigeria, Liberia, any other parts of the world, no. We know say there is a big man somewhere who is creating networks and building business empire.
We've been waiting for him to come out and apologize to the whole world for the inconvenience he caused each and every one of us. Because I'm one of those people that felt insecure during that moment, especially the videos that went around the internet saying, I'm gonna deal with this person, you're gonna deal with this person, Nigeria must go. It brought fear into not just me but Nigerians living in Ghana, and I believe Ghanaians in Nigeria too. They are, you know, fear, they worry them also, because when something happened here to Nigerians also in Nigeria will start attacking the Ghanaians for sure. But we thank God that he's back to his senses and he come out to apologize publicly to the whole world. Now they've seen that he is a big liar. This is how they behave. This is exactly how they are. They want to carry themselves like their shoulder up. If not, why would you say you have or you bought something you did not even buy? Why would you say you purchased a land that is not even existing? Like, what's up? Why would you come up publicly and say you bought a land, and now you are saying you are coming out to say you did not buy a land which you said you bought? What kind of lies is that? You as a leader, are you even qualified to be a leader? Even that leader, you're not even qualified to be. Because why would you? That means all this while you've been lying to the people you are leading, right? I don't even think this title they gave you as the one in charge of Igbos in Ghana, that title did not suit you, because you lie. You are a big liar. Now, who will believe what you are saying? Now, who? Only person will not get head will believe your word. You come out and lie publicly on national television, or should I say on your platforms, saying you purchased a land. Does that mean everything you say is a lie? Who will believe everything? Who will believe anything I mean coming from you? Who will do that? I bet this thing they vex me. It vex me, guys. But then we thank God that he realized and he come out to apologize. At least he's going to calm the Ghanaians down. Maybe, who knows, the Nigeria must go will not take place. I mean, the protest and the Nigeria must go something. Maybe his apology would, make them calm down. I don't know. But then, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I love you. Bye-bye. Guys.